Right, it's the 24th of April at Sunderland Magistrates Court, and it's just after 2 or 3 PM or something like that, 2 or 3, 24th of April 2012, Sunderland Magistrates Court. Excuse me, can I see your manager, please?
What's it in reference to?
It's in reference with yesterday. I came in to ask a few questions because a conviction lay on my records for 6 years, wrongfully entered by this court, and I came in to ask some questions about it, and I was unreasonably removed from here.
What's your name, please?
And the security staff act as advisors to the court, and also nobody instructed them to remove us. In fact, the girl herself made no complaint. In fact, the guy who stood right next to us here said that I was persistently asking her questions. With actually, I phoned the court just after and I recorded every word they said, and they accepted that members of the public can come in, and that it is the job of the receptionist to answer questions, and it's not the job of the security to answer or advise on behalf of the court. They are just contracted to the court to act on behalf of security. Now, nobody instructed them to do what they did, and I want answers as to why they're taking it upon themselves to remove us when I come into the court as a member of the public to ask questions about something I have every right to ask about. Thank you very much. Alright. Where is it? I didn't. No? No. I says I'll catch Robert Martin on his way home, and I'll video him, and I'll question him myself. I don't need. There's no.
You'll be recording this conversation. That's the type of sad person you really are.
Well,
it's a pathetic sexual abuse nerd.
I beg your pardon? A nerd. The police record things. What does that mean then?
They're doing a job.
Did you have a conviction on your record for 6 years because of a mistake by these courts? Exactly. I didn't do anything wrong.
That's what I was saying.
Well, I was clean. I was clean. Right. Yes, I need to make a complaint about the actions of security staff yesterday.
Right, what you need to do, this is our complaint procedure. What you need to do is put it in writing.
Yeah.
So this is the form.
Do the security staff, do they advise on behalf of the court?
No, they don't.
Well, why was I advised by a member of security staff yesterday? On behalf of the court?
I couldn't answer that. I wasn't here at the time.
I've got it. I'll sound report for you if you want.
What I need you to do is put it all in writing. So if you take this put your complaint in writing and then hand it back to us, then we'll look at the situation.
No problem, and I still have questions that remain unanswered. Right. I won an appeal on the 2nd of August 2006, and the system wasn't amended until February 2007 to take the conviction off. Right, but even then they didn't take the conviction off.
Right.
They put on the system now one appeal against sentence and not conviction. Even though I won appeal against conviction, and that conviction lay on me record for 6 years, because Brian Waine and Robert Martin, between one or two of them, had deliberately left it on because it involved corruption allegations against Brian Waine, and he left it on so that the complaints, when they get investigated afterwards, would show that I was convicted. Therefore, the people investigating me complaints would be led to believe I was guilty. You see, even though I was cleared, I've got a letter from Mr. Lively sincerely apologising on behalf of the court that this conviction lay on my record for 6 years, and was used in any amount of checks.
Obviously, you're getting that letter from Mr. Lively. That's all I can say of that.
No, but he said that the system, he couldn't identify who had gone onto that system in 2007 and changed it from a conviction, or changed the appeal against sentence, but not the appeal against conviction. And I know everyone who logs onto that system, even the old system before they changed it, is archived, and everyone who touches anything on that system has to log in a certain ID, and that ID, the computer systems, they're all the same. They record what ID was logged in when that change was made. Right, and so he can identify, and so I came down to ask questions about that yesterday, and I was perfectly entitled to ask those questions.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah, and I was removed unreasonably.
Aware that you came in yesterday.
And when I spoke to you the other time when I came in, yes, and I put in writing.
Yes, that's right, and I was aware that you spoke to whoever was on the counter, and I was aware that you also telephoned post-court yesterday.
Yes, I did.
Right. Now, because Mr. Lively has been corresponding with you, you've had a letter from him.
Yeah, but I've still got all the questions that arise from that.
And I told Mr. Lively that yesterday afternoon.
Yes.
Now, I understand he sent a letter out to you.
Yes.
You should get tomorrow, not the one you've got.
Right.
There's another letter.
No problem, well, I'll wait for that. Thank you very much. Well, apparently Mr. Lively's wrote to us again, so we'll see what that says.